Alright, how's it going, YouTube? I'm in the Crown Vic once again. And, bumping some little Boosie. But, anyways. Time to check out my Phoenix Gold Voltmeter. Fucking beast mode. Wired that bitch up last night, because it's awesome. And it was actually quite the process. It wasn't hard, but it required a good amount of thought. Because for it to properly work, I had to use this relay, alright, and I just got it set back there now. I hadn't secured it yet. I'm probably going to do that tonight, but the cord for the voltmeter is a four conductor telephone cable, and I had to call Phoenix Gold, and of course they were no help, and I did some research and I found out the wiring pinout for it. And I was able to hardwire it into my car, but I had to use a relay because I had to use my radio. I had to use my radio's remote turn-on lead to trigger it so it wouldn't be on when the car was off. And then I had to wire the positive and negative up to my inputs from my amp, the positive and negative, so it actually gives me the voltage at the amplifier. So that's what you're seeing right now. But I'm going to turn it up a little bit, let y'all check my voltage. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.